Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make this punny herb planter, which is so perfect for spring. For the materials, you'll need an herb plant, a small pot, a hot glue gun, white paint, a paintbrush, jute twine, letter stamps, and an ink pad. First, paint the pot. Let it dry. Then use the hot glue gun to glue and wrap the jute twine around the top of the pot. After that, take the stamps and put your punny quote on it. I decided to tailor mine toward a mint plant. Then put the plant in the pot. And that's it! I really love how this turned out, and it's such a fun and cute way to display your herbs. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.